3468 going. That's 346. Hello there, BF63 ZRC. Oh, 47599 YJ06 FZN. Electrics on either. Is that for destination? Are you serious? One 5251. YN65 XDP on the 157 service to Exmouth. 37440 SN16 ORX. 37440 SN16 ORX on the 58 service to Exeter. Our destination sat strange. Three 6235 WA11BYB on the 157 service to Sidmouth. Okay, now passing this 19658 WA60 FHP on the 95 service to Exmouth. See, these leaves are so satisfying. Do you see that? What the? Why is my camera just doing that? 15251 YN65 XDP on the 99 service to Exmouth Wall Street from Brixington. And we pay attention to this. 15961 YN40WO on the BC2 to Matford. I think that my camera's not focusing very well. Three 6234 WA11BXZ. So it is her. Pigeon! 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 Me and my vision, Jamie. She was at talk to him earlier. Right, let's see if he can fly. No, he can't. He can't. Bless him. No, he can't fly. Right. That is an issue. Watch out, there's a seagull, watch out! Watch out! He can't fly. Bless him. I hope that seagull. Oh my god, he just flew! 19658 WA60 FHP on the 95 service to Sandy Bay. The last one of the day. Why is that seagull on a van? Hello, 47098. 36239 W11 CGK. Randomly shot down. 48005. Right A15 ADZ. Not sounding very healthy. Nice. We'll stare short of them. Actually, we'll head over here. Is that bus? Actually, we've seen them depart from the bus stop. What? What? Oh, thank you. That's very rare for that to happen. Oh, a bunch of tickets for me. Thank you for that. Yeah. Most unexpected thing. He obviously wants to make my day. Oh, if only he was driving a rare bus at this moment. I'd be so happy. Anyway, 36239 W11 CGK on the dead run to Matford. And then potentially Exmouth bus yard. And also 48005 by day 15 ADZ. On the 1990 service to Pines Road. Slightly diverted. Nice. That's not our bus. Look. 1990. It would be quite nice if it was though. Right. 19095 LS 56 BHO. On the 99 service to Brixton, then Exmouth. With no real destination of it except for one tiny little dot. No, departing now is 19095. MS 56 BHO on the 99 service to Brixton. No, I'm just hoping I'll see 47598 right 806 FYX who has actually survived. But sadly she's on the 1990 office, I'll be biting her.
And the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say